My name is Sesu, and I am excited to introduce Barnabas Corner to you today. Barnabas Corner is a faith-focused organization that is committed to making the Holy Bible relatable and available to speakers of Nigerian Pidgin English. Did you know that the Nigerian Pidgin English is one of the most spoken languages on the African continent? Did you know that it is the most widely spoken Creole-based English variant in the world? There are an estimated 120 million speakers of the language. In recognition of its vast cultural significance, Google started a Nigerian Pidgin English search interface way back in 2011. The British Broadcasting Corporation started a Nigerian Pidgin English service way back in 2017. This demographic is just waiting for content in Pidgin English that spreads the Christian faith. However, there is a dire need for more Christian content specifically tailored for this demographic. There is a woeful shortage of accurate, engaging content aimed at Christians who speak Nigerian Pidgin English.
Chapter 1. Jesus go heaven. My friend Theophilus, for the book where I first write give you, I talk about all the things where Jesus Christ starts to do and teach until the day when God come carry and go heaven.
At Barnabas Corner, we are committed to creating engaging, compelling content that fills this void, that speaks to Nigerian Pidgin English speakers. We have embarked on the monumental task of producing audiobooks of the entire Bible, chapter by chapter. These voice recordings are made available on major audiobook outlets such as Scribd and Apple. In addition, we create captivating and engaging videos for each chapter of the Holy Bible on our YouTube channel. Our efforts have already begun bearing fruit, with views of the Gospels of Matthew and Mark alone nearing the 10,000 views mark. We are reaching thousands of individuals who hunger for the Word of God in a language that they understand. We welcome partnerships, we welcome collaborations with individuals and organizations that share our passion, that share our dream, share our vision to make the Holy Bible from Genesis to Revelations available in Nigerian Pidgin English across all platforms. Together we can reach 120 million people. Visit our website at www.barnabascorner.com to learn more about our work and how you can contribute. Your support, be it through grants or strategic partnerships, will help us to reach even greater heights in our mission to serve the Nigerian Pidgin English speaking world. Barnabas Corner is not going to stop until the entire Bible in Nigerian Pidgin English is available across all platforms. To accomplish this ambitious goal, we'll need your support. Join us at Barnabas Corner as we bridge the gap and bring the good news to those who need it the most. Together, let's make a difference in the lives of Christians who speak Nigerian Pidgin English.